Oh, Ghana is
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Hello guys, good morning guys. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys enjoy my last video, hopefully. So how you guys doing today? It's another beautiful vlog. Yeah, I'm watching Big Brother. Okay, let me reduce it. You guys saw me cleaning the beans. Yeah, I'm gonna make AKARA for breakfast. It's Friday morning. We didn't go to school this whole week because it's winter recess, so we are closed for the week. So how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are doing well. And I'm not doing too much. I made call already. I called my mom just to ask her how she's doing. My sister in Nigeria, I called her for the election. Tomorrow's election. Just pray they have a very free and fair election, for everything to be good, you know. Nigeria needs help, so I pray for the right person to enter, not just any person. Only God knows the right person. So yeah, that's what we are praying for. So this video is a day before election, before Nigeria election. You guys will definitely know when I'm doing this video. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the kitchen now. I sliced my pepper and onion already. I just want to go blend the beans. After blending I'm just leaving the beans to get soaked a little bit to get softer, and then I'll blend it. I'll start frying. You guys are gonna see me, and I'll carry you guys along. Please subscribe to my channel. Whenever you watch, like and comment so that YouTube can recommend my video to people, so that they'll know that, oh, the video is engaging and you guys are liking it. Please, that like button helps a lot. Please click on the like button, okay? So I will show you guys how I do my beans cake. So guys, this is what we have. So I'm gonna start blending. I'm not gonna blend everything. Whatever is left, I'm gonna put in the fridge. We can't finish this too much. So this is the only one I'm blending, just this one, because I don't want too much right here. And then I have this one left. This one is gonna go to the fridge. Just gonna add just a little bit of water, just a little, because it's AKARA. Don't want it watery. And then I'll blend. This is how you want it to be, very thick. This is my batter. I'm gonna start whisking it, because you're gonna whisk it to a point that it gets softer. I either use this one, my whisk, or I use my tonigari. And I have the blender here and a little bit of water. The more I stir, the more I add this water to it, okay? So yeah, this is what I'm going to do, and I'll be back. I changed my mind. I use my tonigari. So I'm just going to start turning it like this, because I'm using one hand to record. I'm just going to stop my video, and then I'll start using two hands, okay? So I'll just turn this. You guys are going to see it. From this quantity, it's going to increase a little bit, and then I'll start frying. I have my pepper and my onion. Okay, I already sliced this. So I added my onions and my pepper. You can see it's not very fluffy. JD, I'm recording.
I think that's the first one.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna stir this one more time, add a little bit of salt, and then I'll start frying.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.
My AKARA is ready. Oh my goodness.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you.
So guys, I want to make this custard. This is what I'm going to be using. I love a lot of milk in my custard. Food. I'm gonna turn on the kitchen light. Let me enjoy my food. I'll be right back. I ordered this stuff from Amazon. Just want to unbox it with you guys. Just gonna open it. Let me see. Hopefully, yeah, good. Yeah. So I got this serum. Is vitamin C. I bought this what? They sent me the wrong item. This is facial scrub. It's for, I thought it was written in English. This is Neutrogena. I'm gonna be using it on my face for facial scrub, just to exfoliate my skin before going to bed or before leaving the house. So I got this Neutrogena. This is the only face soap that I use. It's kojic acid soap. It's really good. I use it for my face only, and I have no regrets using it. Okay. And lastly, I got this for my vanity. It's a stick-on bulb, so I'm going to use it for my vanity, and then I'll just plug it. Whenever I want to do my makeup, I can use it. It came like this. This is the plug. Yeah. And it's 10 bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. 10 light bulbs. So I'm just going to plug it and then I'll start using it. Hi guys. Yeah, I braid my hair. So let's give this a try. Pink strawberry. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love this. Hello guys, I'm about to go pick up my sister from the airport. You guys know she traveled to Nigeria, so she's coming back today. We are at the airport. We just got here. We're waiting for her. I think she's gonna land by 3:15, but it's past 3:15 p.m. already. So we're just gonna stick around and wait for her to come out of the airport, okay? Guys, we are just here waiting for her, enjoying ourselves. We're gonna go around because I think our flight was delayed, so we're gonna go around and then go back to the airport and see if she's out already, okay? like that. You look good. You know that they go Nigeria.
None of them see. None of them.
On the two of them, one spot.
April.
No,
Ghana is the expire.
12 of this month.
I just came to my parents' house this morning just to do some stuff with my sister. You know, my sister just came from Nigeria, so I have my older sister who lives in California. We're just gonna walk. We're just gonna put all our stuff together. I want to ship it to what is it called? I want to ship it to California, so that's why I'm here this morning, this early. But first, I want to drop this off, right? But they've not opened yet, and it's 9:30 already. I don't know why they've not opened, but I'm gonna go back later to go drop this off. I ordered this travel iron from Amazon, but it's not working. It burned my clothes, and I now have money to buy something, and then you can't spoil my own thing. No, so I'm just gonna return it and then order another one from them. Okay, it was very cheap, like $15, I think so. So yeah, I'm just gonna go upstairs. I'm here now. I'm just gonna go upstairs. So let's go upstairs to see my parents. I'm just here. Oh, it's very sunny this morning and it's not that cold, which I really love. They live in second floor. I'm already here. I have my key. I'm just gonna open the door. Okay.
I got simple.
The next day.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? I just brought my mom to the hospital for checkup. You guys know, since she has been here, we haven't come to the hospital to check her health and all of that. So we are here today. Let me say hi.
Hi.
So we are here just for a regular checkup. You know, her age. I was just coming back from work and then I just rushed here. Okay, the appointment is at 4:40 and the time is 4:40, so we made it. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna ask her the difference between the Nigeria hospital and this hospital after the whole thing, so that she'll tell me her experience. Yeah, but I think it's way better, and this is just like a little clinic, not like a big hospital, because it's closer to our house. So I decided to use this one. If there's anything emergency or anything bigger than whatever it is, I'll just go to a bigger hospital. But this is just a little hospital that I brought her in, and yeah, just want her to use this one because they have less people, and they attend to you so fast, and their experience is really their customer service is really good. So that's why I decided to use this for her. I have my mask, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Okay, how you doing? I'm good. So guys, they just called us in.
Hey, nice to see you.
Hi. So guys, we are here already. Yeah, with the nurse. They're just gonna take our regular vitals and stuff like that.
Is this the longest?
Mommy. So guys, we just finished. We going home. Want to go take Uber? We just pick up our medication. We good for today. It was very quick. Not quick like that. Almost it's over an hour already. Okay, so I'm good. Let me say hi.
Hi.
So I'm just gonna wait. We're gonna wait, sit in the waiting area, and then I'll do Uber for us to go home. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. This is me coming out here to end this vlog. Yeah, so I took her to the hospital, you know, just to check her health, just to make sure everything is okay. And trust me, she's perfectly okay. It's just a little bit stuff like you know, blood pressure and all of that. So yeah, she's okay, she's fine. She said the difference is really clear. Like, you can't really compare America to Nigeria. No, she normally goes to do a checkup in Nigeria, but it's not like that. Even with the money, you know, if you have the money, you can go to a very good and nice hospital. It's still not compared to America. I told her, of course, it can't be the same. America is far from Nigeria. Oh, hey, no understand. To my Nigerian family, you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's late. I need to go sleep. I'm already in my 90. I'm ready to go lay down. And I just remembered there was no outro for this video. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe. And I thank you all for watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.